Stop scrolling if your hair gets poofy. Do you have a hairstyle or a haircut or even texture where no matter what you do, your hair just gets really, really poofy and you want it to lay closer to your head? Sometimes layering may not be the answer, or it might be. It all just depends. Because if you are getting a haircut like this, everything is already layered, but your hair is just sticking out. It's so bulky. You have a couple of different options, and you've probably heard this before. Well, the first method you can use, and the first thing you can tell your hair professional to do, is thin out your hair. That's where thinning shears like this come into play. We've got the different teeth here, and you can do a variety of different techniques that are designed to remove excess weight from the hair, which will make it not so poofy. For example, going in when the hair is dry, and then working the thinning shears out like this to remove some of that bulk. Okay, that's one way to do it. Now, what does that do? That actually will let the hair lay closer to the head, and that is one technique. Another technique that I found throughout the years that has really, really helped me being a licensed hair professional for over 30 years is utilizing a different tool. And that tool is called a feather razor, which I'll show you in a second. So what I'm doing here is I'm gonna section this hair like this. And when you're trying to debulk hair or make it less, quote unquote, poofy, what you need to understand is where is all that poofiness happening, right? And that's where you need to target that area and remove the weight from there specifically. It's just very, very common sense. If that bulk is here, then you remove the weight here. If it's heavy here, then you remove the weight or the poofiness. You have to tackle each part of the head. So this particular technique has been a lifesaver for all of my career. And this is called a feather razor. If you have been watching my channel for a very long time, you're familiar with me using this. If you're a hair professional watching this, you should be familiar with this tool. It's been around for a very, very long time, and it's been an incredible tool throughout my career. The best thing you can do is on dry hair. You want to actually make the hair as poofy as it possibly can be so you can see where you have to cut. What I like to do is I will comb the hair to make sure there's no knots. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the comb in, which will kind of expose that heavy area. And then I'm going to use a kind of razor over comb technique like this. And what I'm doing is I'm actually just scraping away that excess bulk. Now, if you're new to using a feather razor, what you don't want to do is go in and just push this straight down, and you're gonna take out so much hair. So never go in with the blade straight on this way. What you want to do is practice with the blade facing you, and you're not going to obviously cut anything, but start to slowly turn it into where you feel a little bit of pressure. And even that little bit of pressure, what I'm doing here, is going to start to remove some weight and some of that bulk. We're literally just carving it out from the head. And I'm telling you, you do this on dry hair because, again, you want to feel where that bulk is. And then as you bring this through, to me, I like this better than thinning shears. Look what's happening. We're already taming down that poofiness, and you're able to kind of work it and keep it closer to the head. It's literally a life-saving technique. Let's do the next section. And you're going to work your way up the head shape to where you feel like you've gotten rid of the majority of that poofiness or that bulk. So here we are on this side. Now we're working our way up, and I'm seeing where the hair is sticking out and poofing out right into here. So I'm now going to work on this area, and I'm literally just trying to see where that bulk is. And I am using a decent amount of pressure. I am feeling a little bit of resistance because that means we're cutting the hair. I'm actually, combing it in different directions, so comb it back this way, and just get very, very used to working with this tool. Yes, you can do this on yourself if you're doing this at home. Obviously, be very, very careful because you don't want to cut yourself. It is a razor, and it's a professional hair tool. If you are a professional and never used this before, just practice on a mannequin. Get used to that feeling of scraping hair off. You're literally scraping that weight away. And the thicker the hair, the better, because this really, really does remove a lot of that weight. And look already what's happening. So as the hair grows, this is also the secret to this whole thing, is as the hair grows, it's actually gonna grow out closer to the head. So your clients will love this. If you're a client, you will love this, because you can say, finally, I found something that my hair is not gonna poof out. This is incredible. And this works on a variety of different hair lengths. The longer the hair, the better for something like this. I only tend to use this on straight hair. If I'm gonna use this on curly hair or any sort of wavy hair, I'm gonna go in and just kind of lightly notch in like this. But I usually say just layer it or do some sort of slide cutting when it's on curly or wavy hair. But this works best on 100% straight hair, primarily on men's haircuts, right? This is great for men's hair. If you are, having this issue, then this is gonna be ideal. Or shorter, feathered, layered types of haircuts. And what I'm doing is I'm literally just looking for that weight. I'm looking for that bulk. And then I can go in with this razor and really just get rid of it. And the reason I'm using the comb is I'm pushing the hair down to expose that poofiness. And then look already the difference. Look how flat this is to the head now. So we still have the ability to get a little bit of volume, right? Some natural volume, but it's easier to get closer to the head so it's not sticking out so much, right? And then you can do this throughout the entire head. Now, do you do this every single time? Sometimes I do, right? Just to maintain it. Every time someone gets a haircut, I do just, wherever you think you need it, then do it. It may not be the same area as last time. This is very kind of like customized to each individual haircut. Wherever you feel it, next time it grows out, next time the client comes in for a haircut or your haircut grows out, it may not be in this area this time, it may be more down here. So you thin it out down here. Wherever it is you need it, then you do it. And you can do it on the top. If you were to do it on the top of your head, you just have to be very careful. Again, you can bring all the hair forward like this, try to bulk up that hair, and then same thing, go in with the comb, and you're gonna scrape away that excess bulk like this. And what that's gonna do, it's gonna get rid of that poofiness, because the hair now doesn't have as much weight, but it's kind of like invisible because you're not really gonna see it. So it's a really, really great technique. Something, again, that's been a career saver for me throughout the years of working on so many clients and haircuts and throughout my career. It's been amazing. So, if you are interested in getting this tool, again, it's called a feather razor. I do have my Amazon affiliate page down below where you can get this and all the tools I use as far as like things I got on Amazon. So that's all down below. It's something I really, really suggest. So let me know if this video is going to be helpful for you, because I want to make sure that you're getting really, really good haircuts and a good hair experience. If your hair professional is not doing this, this is a skill thing. This is an experience thing. It's something that they need to be experienced and comfortable doing. But don't be afraid to express to them that your hair gets really bulky. Can you remove some of that weight? Maybe with a razor, a feather razor, or a thinning shear, something to get the hair less poofy. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon.